As you get started with your typing agent account, it is important that you, as the administrator, decide who gets to do what in your account. From this, you will use the Permissions tab. Currently, I'm logged in as a district administrator because you can see I have 4 tabs along the top. Once you log in, you see this interface. You click on your school management tab. You go over and you find the word permissions. You click that, and here we outline we're going to outline the bulk permissions capabilities you have. For curriculum, you hover over the I and we tell you that by using this, you get to decide who gets to add and remove apps for students or curriculums for students. So you can have that set for you at the district administrator only, or anyone you give district administrative privileges, they can do this. You can have that you or the school administrator can do this, or you can also permit the teachers to do that. So with all of these, in terms of the student, this tab will tell you whenever you activate student management, this person can add, delete, edit, or move students from one place to the other. Under reset student password, same thing, you can change the passwords for students, and notice the drop down here permits you always to toggle between the admin, the school admin, and adding the teacher in there. So with all of these features, you get to do this. Now with the student accommodations, you can permit your teachers to change the targets, settings, change the games, accessibility options, and digital citizenship curriculum for your students. This here is key in that many times some districts want their teachers to be able to manipulate this data, others don't. So this is why it's really important that you consider what you want your teachers to do, or you can have them contact you, or if you only want the administrator to have the capability of making these adjustments, you can set it for anyone at the district or the school administrator. And in terms of the classroom, just again hover over the I, meaning information. For classrooms, that you can permit your teacher admin and school admins to create, edit, delete, enable, or reset the class codes and add teachers to the classrooms. Once you've decided on any of these things, you just go and click save. And as the district administrator, you would see permissions have been updated successfully. Now that was the district administrator. Let me just quickly show you as a school administrator how this works. And again, you log in at your typing agent secure website. Notice you're again an admin because as the school admin, you will land on this page, but you'll see the word admin there. And just like I did with the district admins, I click school management, and then I move on and find the word permissions. And notice the same eye icon appears with the same accommodations. Once you can go and notice, instead of having district admin, school admin, and teacher, you now have admin and teachers because you're not operating at a district level. So you make the parameter changes you want, you decide to whom you want to give certain privileges, and then you save it. So that's all for now. I hope you're now comfortable with managing your account and giving certain permissions to certain members of your teaching team. That's all for now. I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.